Hey, what's up guys, I'm Andrew Tech, and today I'm gonna give you guys some tips if you are a beginner filmmaker or if you just want to create content for your YouTube videos. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to improve, how to make your content overall better. So the very first tip is to just focus on the content rather than the gear. I know a lot of people, when they first start a YouTube channel, they want to go crazy on the gear. Like they try to buy the best expensive camera like a GH4, GH5, Sony a6300, Sony a7S II, those type of cameras, and they just go out and buy all that type of really high quality gear. And to be honest, to be able to make a good film, you don't actually need a good expensive camera. You could film with what you already have. Phones now these days have fantastic cameras. I started filming my YouTube videos when I first started with my phone. It was like a freaking flip phone. It was just garbage. Even if you go back to my videos, you guys would see that the quality was really bad. And now as you can see, I improved my camera. So the content is first, then after the content, after you already have improved, now comes the gear. So that's tip number one. Alright guys, so tip number two is that now that you already have a phone to shoot or a camera to shoot, is just to go out and shoot as much as you can. That's just gonna make your films 10 times better, because if you guys never shoot, your films are never gonna get better. Practice makes perfect. So yeah, just go out there and practice and just start shooting random things. Like I said, when I first started my YouTube videos, I was recording with this old phone, but I still kept making videos, and now I upgraded to a DSLR, and yeah, just start somewhere guys, and yeah. Alright guys, so another tip to make your videos stand out is to not just shoot from one angle. Try to get unique with your angles. Try to shoot from multiple angles, like from a wide angle shot, medium shot, close up, and also from the side. Just try to get creative with all that. That's just gonna make your videos 10 times better. Because I've seen a lot of people that just film with one angle, and that's just really boring. That's just gonna make your videos and your viewers to click off the video. So yeah, try to get creative with all that. That's probably the most important thing on this list, to get creative with your angles. Alright guys, so those were the few tips that I'm gonna give you guys on this video. If you guys want more tips, let me know down below in the comments, and also if this video was useful, let me know also down below in the comments. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'm gonna be bringing you guys more filmmaking related tutorials like these. If you guys, like I said, if you guys want more tips, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll bring you guys more tips. These tips were just for beginner filmmakers, but if you guys want more advanced techniques or filming tips, let me know down below in the comments, and yeah, I'll basically make a video for you guys. So that's gonna do it for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I'm California dreaming.